What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Crazy Laws, where we explore some of the most bizarre and ridiculous laws from around the world. Today, we're going to take a look at 10 dumbest and weirdest laws of the state of Ohio. You won't believe some of the things that are illegal in this state. Let's get started. Number 10. No electric fences in Canton. If you live in the city of Canton, Ohio, you might want to think twice before installing an electric fence around your property. According to the law, no person shall erect or maintain any fence charged with electrical current. I guess they don't want anyone to get shocked by accident or on purpose. Maybe they should also ban electric chairs while they're at it. Number 9. No bathtubs in Ohio. This law dates back to the early 1800s, when cholera and smallpox epidemics were killing people left and right. The state authorities decided that one of the causes of these diseases was the common practice of sharing bathwater among family members, so they banned bathtubs altogether. How did people wash themselves then? Did they just use buckets or rivers? Or did they just smell bad all the time? I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to live in a state where I can't take a relaxing bath. Number 8. No arrests on Sundays in the 4th of July. If you're planning to commit a crime in Ohio, you might want to do it on a Sunday or on Independence Day. According to the law, no person shall be arrested during a sitting of the Senate or House of Representatives, within the hall where such session is being held, or in any court of justice during the sitting of such court, or on Sunday or on the 4th day of July. So, if you rob a bank or murder someone on these days, you can just walk away scot-free? That doesn't seem fair or safe at all. Maybe they should change this law to no crimes on Sundays and the 4th of July. Number 7. No fishing for whales on Sundays. Speaking of Sundays, did you know that it's illegal to fish for whales on this day in Ohio? Yes, you heard me right. Whales. In Ohio, a landlocked state with no oceans or seas, how does that even make sense? Where are you going to find a whale in Ohio? In a lake? In a river? In a swimming pool? And why only on Sundays? Is it okay to fish for whales on other days? This law is so absurd and pointless that it makes me wonder who came up with it and why. Number 6. No breeding whales in Perrysburg. If you thought fishing for whales was weird, wait until you hear this one. In the city of Perrysburg, Ohio, it's illegal to breed whales. Again, how is this possible? How do you breed whales in a city that's nowhere near the ocean? Do you have a secret whale farm somewhere? Do you smuggle whale eggs or sperm into the city? Do you use artificial insemination or cloning techniques? And why would you want to breed whales in the first place? What are you going to do with them? Sell them as pets? Use them as transportation? Eat them as food? This law is so baffling and illogical that it makes me question reality. Number 5. No getting fish drunk. While we're on the topic of aquatic animals, did you know that it's illegal to get fish drunk in Ohio? Yes, you heard me right. Drunk fish? Apparently, some people think it's fun or funny to pour alcohol into fish tanks or ponds and watch the fish get intoxicated. Well, not in Ohio. The law states that no person shall give beer or intoxicating liquor to any fish. I wonder how they enforce this law. Do they have fish breathalyzers or blood tests? Do they look for signs of drunkenness in fish, such as slurred bubbles or erratic swimming patterns? Number 4. No taking another fisherman's catch. If you're a fisherman in Ohio, you better watch out for your catch. According to the law, no person shall take any fish from any private pond without permission from the owner thereof, nor shall any person take any fish from any public pond or lake, or from any stream, river, or watercourse that has been caught by another person. So, if you see a fish that someone else has hooked or netted, you can't just grab it and run away. That would be stealing and illegal. You have to respect the fisherman's rights and efforts, unless, of course, the fish is drunk. Then maybe you can take it and sober it up. Number 3. No hunting mice without a license. If you have a mouse problem in your house, you might want to get a license before you try to get rid of them. In the city of Cleveland, Ohio, It's illegal to hunt mice without a license. The law states that no person shall hunt for any animal or bird except under a license issued by the Director of Public Safety. I guess this means that you can't use traps, poison, or cats to kill mice. You have to apply for a license and pay a fee and follow some rules and regulations. Maybe you also have to wear a hunting outfit and use a rifle or a bow and arrow. And maybe you have to display your mouse trophies on your wall or mantle. Number 2. No bread with more than 12% butterfat. If you're a fan of bread, you might want to check the ingredients before you buy it in Ohio. According to the law, no person shall sell or offer for sale for human consumption bread containing more than 12% of butterfat. I'm not sure why this law exists or what's wrong with bread with more than 12% butterfat. Maybe it's too unhealthy or too delicious or too addictive. Maybe it causes some kind of disease or disorder or addiction. Maybe it's a secret weapon or a drug or a cult. Whatever the reason, don't mess with the bread law in Ohio. Number 1. No making yo mama jokes in shopping centers. And finally, the number 1 dumbest and weirdest law in Ohio is this one. In the city of Canton, Ohio, it's illegal to make your mama jokes in shopping centers. The law states that no one shall, in the presence or hearing of another person, curse or abuse the person or use any violently abusive language to the person concerning him or her or any of his male or female relatives under circumstances reasonably calculated to provoke a breach of the peace. I guess this means that you can't say things like your mama is so fat that she broke the scale at Walmart, or your mama is so ugly that she scared away all the customers at Macy's, or your mama is so stupid that she bought a toaster at Best Buy. That would be rude and offensive and illegal. You have to be nice and respectful and polite when you're in a shopping center in Canton. And there you have it, folks. 10 dumbest and weirdest laws of the state of Ohio. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new and interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crazy laws videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of these laws and if you know any other weird laws from Ohio or anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Dumbest and Weirdest Laws. Peace out.